The Highpi 11-foot inflatable stand-up paddleboard offers exceptional stability with its wide 33-inch platform and non-slip EVA deck pad, making it perfect for both novice and experienced paddlers. Crafted from dual-layer military-grade PVC, this paddleboard is designed to be incredibly durable and resistant to punctures, ensuring it can handle various water environments. Weighing a mere 8,391 grams, the board is lightweight, allowing for easy maneuverability and quick turns, whether you are on calm lakes or catching waves. The all-in-one paddleboard kit includes everything you need to start paddling, from an adjustable paddle to a high-pressure pump and a convenient backpack for easy transport. This paddleboard is backed by a 3-year warranty and supported by a dedicated service team, providing you with peace of mind and confidence in your purchase. Engineered for performance, the Highpi Inflatable SUP glides smoothly through the water, making it an excellent choice for surfing, fishing, yoga, and more.